Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Trendsetter Johnson, and today I would like to show you graduation hair that I did on Trendsetter's friend. I did 2 Dutch braids and combined them behind. So here you see how I'm sectioning off the hair in a diagonal way. It's about 2 inches wide, and I take a portion from the very top. Then I split it into 3 more or less equal sections, and I do a regular Dutch braid stitch. When you have the outer strand under the middle strand, you add in hair from only the part that you have been sectioned off before. I'm always holding between my thumb and my index finger the strands, and then I grab the portion that I'm adding. Here I'm using some powder. This is similar to hairspray, but I like it especially because it sticks better the hairs together to pancake it. And I do exactly the same thing on the other side. So section again off until above the ear. So it's 5 inches wide, and above the ears also not 5 inches, no, it's 5 centimeters or 2 inches. And above the ear I leave the same space, and I like it when it's diagonally the parting that I do, because then it's easier to combine them in the back. And I do exactly the same thing, 1 normal Dutch braid stitch, and then I start to add in the hair. So you see the same like on the other side. I used the powder here a bit earlier because I had the sensation the braid was tight. You don't want to braid too extremely tight if you want to pancake it later. But use the powder, and if you don't have the powder, use hairspray, that helps too. And then pull carefully. Once it's pulled out, you cannot bring it back, or you have to braid new. Trendsetter's friend asked me to add some curls, and I did that with a flat iron, the one that is round from the outer side. I used before I used the flat iron some heat protection, and yeah, I really like this one. I just wanted the hair to be a bit wavy, and then to smooth out the top and to make it last during the whole celebration and the dinner and the party after that. I used some hairspray, and here you see I cross them. I check where they meet more or less, and then I pull 1 braid through the other, and I use bobby pins to pin everything in place. Try to use the bobby pins from under the hair so that one won't see them. And then here I pull out also the ends again through, and the hair ties I will erase because I wanted in the back of the hair where the 2 braids are combined, I wanted it to look a bit fuller, and I secure with a little hair tie that is a black one so that one won't see it, and then you can just release the others. Feel free to use as many bobby pins as you need. And this is our final result from the 2 Dutch braids, like a crown combined in the back. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you back soon. Bye bye.